Did you know that Venice's most famous church was built around stolen bones, and the thieves used pork to pull off the heist? In 828 CE, two Venetian merchants arrived in Alexandria with a plan. Their target was the tomb of St. Mark the Apostle, one of the most sacred sites in the Christian world, sitting inside Muslim-controlled Egypt. They bribed a few local guardians and lifted the relics from the tomb, but getting them past customs was the real problem. So they packed the bones beneath layers of pork and cabbage. When Muslim inspectors approached the cargo, they recoiled. Religious law forbade them from touching pork. They waved the shipment through without a second look. The bones sailed back to Venice without a single search. The city erupted in celebration. Within decades, construction began on a massive basilica built for one purpose: to house what had been taken. That building became the Basilica of San Marco, still standing today. One religion's sacred rule became the perfect weapon to rob another's most holy relic.